Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your repositories in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there are many ways to find your repositories. So one way to do it is when you go like to GitHub and you don't access to your profile. And basically this is the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, you will find these top repositories that you will find here on the menu. So from here, you can also access your repositories and you can view any repository that you would like. So basically, we can go to this one and then it will take you to your repository. Otherwise, you can simply go to the three-line icon and basically it is the sidebar menu or the side menu, and then you will be able also to see your repositories as this view, and this will make you able to show more until you find all your repositories. But it's not really practical one, but the specific or the place where you can like find the repository like as the repository page, you can basically just go to your profile, and by clicking on your profile you will be able like to find some of the most worked on repositories, but we want to go to the repositories. So basically here by clicking on repositories you will find like a decent view for all your repositories, and from here you will be able like to select the type like only the private repositories, by language like only the Python projects, and basically here going to public, etc. Or you can simply click on your profile picture and then go to your repositories and it will be the same page as follow. And again, you can start sorting like by the last updated or by stars, and you can choose whatever as like the type of the filter that you'd like. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.